Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top Ethereum ecosystem coins beyond the top 50. Which means that because normally we do the top 50, so we're going to go from Injective down to ONDO. We did Flocky last week, so after that we'll continue with Bitget Token, JASMY, Fantom, BONK, WhiteBIT Coin, AAVE, Ethena, and then we'll end it with Quant. And number 10. Let's get straight into it. Injective against BTC. Okay, so for Injective, we are already under the skinny pink line. And there's a target over here, fresh out of the oven for you. So if you look over here, this is a rising wedge. Right, higher highs, higher lows, rising wedge. And we've already broken lower. And we're under the skinny pink line, which means that Injective BTC is already in a bearish trend. So more downside is to be expected for Injective. It's the same thing as when Injective broke the skinny pink line way back in 2021. That's it. We're expecting more downside. More likely than not more downside, right? So I'd be careful about rushing into Injective. Injective is a no-go at this point of time. Against USD, we also have a target towards the downside at $13. We're only at $20 right now, so this is another, how many percent? Yeah, another 37% decimation. We're expecting all these clusters of cells to be taken out. So yeah, I mean, if you were to go back to history, right, in December 2021, we collapsed after breaking the skinny pink line. That's it. We broke the skinny pink line and we broke it with volume, right? This was already a clue that things could be turning really ugly for Injective. And this was a, what do you call it, get out rally. Get out here, or you could get out here. And now we're really down here. So more downside is to be expected. Injective is not looking too good. Again, I wouldn't, encourage rushing into anything here. Injective, to be honest, could turn into something even more bigger bearishly, right? A descending, even bigger descending triangle and drop even lower, right, to this noisy area over here, to single digits again. So yeah, again, I wouldn't, I wouldn't go short or long at this point of time. I will wait for a proper rally first. If anything, I'll be shorting Injective towards the downside. ONDO against BTC. Okay, so but ONDO has a different picture, right? ONDO, you have to look at it on USD. ONDO, let's look at it on Gate. So for ONDO against USD, ONDO actually had a squeeze over here. Symmetrical, bam, we're out. More upside, yeah, potentially. Any high quality tradable chart pattern for us? Nope. So we're just going to move on from ONDO. Bitget Token, BGB USDT. So if you look at Bitget, okay, we're still clearly above the skinny pink line. Things are still really, really bullish. Again, we were expecting this symmetrical triangle to result. This was way back in 2023. So if you were to go to BGB, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BGB. You will see, oh, okay, we didn't have it. But anyway, we had this target in May 2023 and we've already hit it. It's just that, normally we do targets, but we don't always come back to it. But eventually, it's already hit. So, ta-da! Anyway, I'm just going to remove this. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line. Bitget has been in an uptrend ever since coming into the scene. And it's just up only. Up, 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 up from the very bottom. If you made a move over here, all the way to the top, this would be a 1,300% move for BGB from the very bottom over here at 10 cents. Now we are at about 116. Is this the end for Bitget? Again, we're not entirely sure. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Bitget, which is not tradable. JASMY against BTC. Okay, we don't have it against USDT. Okay, so for JASMY, there was a symmetrical triangle that came here. It's a symmetrical. The point is symmetrical. There's a symmetrical triangle, and then bam, we broke out, all targets hit, and now we're in a falling channel. So the question we have for JASMY is this the end of the move? Because we can count 5 waves. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! 5. That's it. If we take out these highs, right? Yeah, okay, then JASMY could actually go to 10 cents. To be honest, there's another noisy area over here at about 17 cents. There could be another one here. So I suspect that if you were to go any higher, we'll have to see proper consolidation first. But anyway, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for JASMY. Fantom. Okay, Fantom against BDC. Here we are for Fantom. Okay, Fantom is not good. I saw some big accounts shilling Fantom, right? But Fantom looks bearish to me. It looks real bearish, right? Every time we rally, right, we get pulled down. Bigger rally, pulled down. Much bigger, but getting pulled all the way back down again. So things are still pretty bearish for Fantom. I wouldn't recommend going long at this point of time. We are still clearly under the skinny pink line. So the trend has just returned bearish. If Fantom forms a right shoulder over here, this could be a head and shoulders as we hit even lower, sweeping all the clusters of cells here, 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 and even here as well, dropping down to this noisy area. You see that? Do you see the danger? No, Fantom is a no-go. Fantom against USDT. Here we are for Fantom. And Fantom has also touched the skinny pink line. If you were to zoom in, we've touched it. It's not good. Sure, we could rally higher, but it doesn't really fill me with confidence. If Fantom goes all the way up, yes, sure, of course. Sure, we will flip bullish. But at this point of time, I don't think so. No. Okay, something like this could happen, right? There was a rally that came. We went above the skinny pink line. We retraced towards it, right? Rally, we retraced towards it. We could still do something like this for Fantom. But as it stands, I suspect there will still be, again, big resistance over here. So if I were to make a move for Fantom, I will probably be late. And I'll probably wait for a higher quality chart pattern first. So as it stands, Fantom is a no-go. It's a no-go. BONK against USDT. Here we are for BONK. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Okay, so but BONK has done tremendously. Right. BONK is up 25,000%. Any clear signs of a bullish continuation? Yeah, potentially. This whole thing could turn into a ABCDE, right? Or an ascending triangle. You may see this as an ascending as well. As we break higher, potentially. Right, but of course we can also go lower, right? Mountains, break the skinny pink line. That's it. Bearish trend confirmed. But as it stands, yeah, there's a higher high over here. Lower high. So there could be a zip up though, right? A final one before we hit any lower, right? So yeah, I preach caution for BONK. It's already at 1 billion. Oh my god. WhiteBIT token, WBT, USDT. If we look at WhiteBIT, okay, let's look at WhiteBIT on WhiteBIT. WhiteBIT is above the skinny pink line, so still in a bullish trend. But I would assume that we're gonna come back down for a C, right? We might have another wave higher though. Right, again, there is some noise around this area. So I would expect probably around $12. A little bit more. We're still in a very, very bullish trend. So this could still carry towards the upside to $12 potentially. But we're kind of in a consolidation right now. And I don't feel like this is tradable. So I would preach caution for WhiteBIT. AAVE. Oh my god, AAVE. What a disappointment. AAVE was once a top 50. Now, AAVE is out of the top 50, and you can see that ever since we crossed the skinny pink line, right? That's it. Bearish trend. We never once crossed back up convincingly. So, yeah, we were saying that we'll probably clear the lows over here. And AAVE did clear the lows, right? And we continue dropping lower. Any signs of life? Yeah, no. No, I preach caution, right? One fine day, we're hoping for a potential reversal, but as it stands, we just don't see it yet. Against USD, AAVE is also under the skinny pink line, and we're also potentially forming mountains, right? This could be a descending triangle that could hit even lower. So again, I would preach caution. Sure, there's a rally right now, but yeah, the skinny pink line is a telltale sign that things are not as strong as we think. It's still very weak. So yeah, AAVE is a no-go. Ethena against BC. Here we are for Ethena. Anything? Nope. We're in a downward trend. And the question we are asking is, where's the bottom? Right? Are we gonna start reversing at 50 cents? Could we go all the way back down to the lows over here on Binance? Again, we're not entirely sure. So yeah, I will preach caution. Quant against BTC. So here we are for Quant. Look at this. Ever since crossing a skinny pink line. Oh my god. bearish trend, bear. So we respect the skinny pink line. As long as it's under it, we remain with a bearish bias for quant against BTC, which means that if you had shifted all your quant into Bitcoin, you would have done so much better compared to being in quant. Against USD, here we are. Okay, quant could do something like this, right? Very big squeeze potentially. But it's just nothing much at the moment, right? This could be the next cycle before anything happens for quant. So I will preach caution for quant. I just don't see it yet. So yeah, no. Under the skinny pink line, we're gonna remain with our bearish bias. So stay safe. The only one which has a clear target is actually Injective, but not everything is looking pretty good though. Coins that are already under the skinny pink line is just not looking too good. And coins like, for example, Bitget, right, probably has a little bit more towards the upside. JASMY as well. So yeah, again, it looks pretty bleak though for some of the Ethereum ecosystem coins beyond the top 50. So stay safe. And if you have yet to check out, yesterday we did Binance launch pool coins. So see you in the next one. Have a great day.